Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Car Salvage 101. And today we are going to be looking at the unboxing of an Eonon car radio that I've been kindly sent by Eonon. And this is going to replace your Fiat 500 bog standard factory radio. And it's going to introduce you to the world of BMW, Audi, Mercedes, screens, basically. You've probably seen these over the years. They've come in very different formats, and there's been a lot of them around. This is my first that I'll be installing. I've never done it before. And so, yeah, we're going to do an unboxing today of it, show you what you get, because I've not actually unboxed this before, so I have no idea. And we're going to have a look at it. And yeah, we'll take it from there. There will be another video on me installing it and showing you around that will come up in the future. If we are talking months and you're looking at this months, if not years later, there'll be a link just down below to that video. There's also going to be a voucher code as well down below, so you can get a discount on this radio. So thanks to Eonon, we are now going to start with the unboxing of this car radio. So without further ado, let's get on with looking at the Eonon for the Fiat 500 that we're going to put in. So this is brand new to me. I have slightly opened it here, but I actually haven't checked the content of it. So we have two boxes. This, I imagine, is going to be the reversing camera. So let's first open this up and have a look at the type of camera that it is. And how it stays on, or how it stays securely in the car. So, what have we got? It's very small. Okay, there we have it. That is the reversing camera. So it is incredibly tiny. That is really not going to block your view at all if that goes in the rear window. Simple connectors and the incredibly long wiring. Now again, it's simple because two will plug into here and then one will plug in to the back of the stereo. And I'd imagine that at some point something here connects to the reverse light, and when the reverse light gets activated, then yeah, this then goes and then turns on. So we've got a little mini manual here, which again talks about the wiring and how it works. And then yeah, that will then go from the rear, where you can run it through the headlining, and then yeah, and then out through into the back of the stereo. Got two screws, don't know what they are for, and then we've got a sticky pad, so that will be for the windscreen, the rear windscreen. So that is the tiny little camera. Again, you don't expect to have massive quality, but that's quite a nice little chunky camera. So that's going to go, hopefully, in the rear. Right, now, the main component, the actual headset itself. Let's have a look. I don't know what colour this is. Eon sent it to me, and I don't know if it's black or if it's cream. I suspect we could be looking at black, but we'll find out. So, we have a little, again, it sort of tells you about the wiring and where to put certain things into the back. So again, pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, just tells you what you've got. Again, it's all in English. There's no sort of Chinese translation. And this should come, it seems like a relatively big display. And we also have, obviously, the user manual. The user manual. But these are all fairly, they all pretty much, again, do a lot of the same. But again, they're advising you that for like the GPS antenna, that you need to separate it out and, you know, put it on the top of the dash. It's how to link your phone, what the settings do. But this is a lot like a lot of these things is it's you know, you sort of self-guided when you plug it in. It's a case of playing around with it. So those are the manuals. What do we have? Let's go. Let's look at this one first. This looks like a lot of wiring. And it, yeah. Let's get it out. But obviously the wiring is a universal because it's not necessarily all going to be used for the 500. So that looks like the GPS antenna. Let's just get it out of the bag. That is going to be if you want a an external USB port. Again, the same. I found that with a couple of these, they throw in a couple as well. So we've got, so you need to have two of those. We won't need them. Your radio keys, which will be used to remove the old one, and I'd imagine will also be used if you want to take this back out at some point, which hopefully you won't want to do. So radio keys. We have a radio adapter cable. So again, that might depend on the type of car you've got and the aerial cable that plugs into the back of your original radio. You might need an adapter for it. That's the microphone. So we have a external microphone. So for calls and stuff, rather than the actual headset being the microphone, which generally on the whole is a lot of these are not quite good enough. This comes with an external one, so it again plugs in the back, and you can put that up into the roof liner as well. So that is good, and there you have it. There is your harness, which will list all the various things, the CAN bus box, and yeah, various bits that will go into the back of the unit, and this will be used to plug in what's coming out of the Fiat 500. What else do we have? We have in here, this says rear view camera. So it looks like we've got two. So the rear view camera is already in the box. And that's exactly the same. So we actually have two rear view cameras. That's good. Right, now if we take out, this is very well padded. So certainly not going to have any issues with this coming damaged, that's for sure. Let's have a work out how we're going to get this out. It will come, let's just get that out. Slowly getting there. There we go. Right. And this is the unit. Comes in a sealed bag. Yeah, right. What have we got? Looks like it's going to be black. There we have it. There is a nice sealed, those buttons are nice. Oh yeah, those are just like Fiat 500 buttons. They feel good to touch. And obviously you've got the vents, although obviously with this one, there's no way you're going to be able to control where the heat or the air goes. Unfortunately, with this one, because they've made the screen bigger, and they also want to fit in the buttons as well. So you've just got this sort of surround vent. So it will just generally just put the heat or the air into the car pretty much forward. You won't be able to direct it towards you as such. But anyway, that's not going to really be an issue, is it? I won't remove the nice protective film on the front there. And then if we look around to the back, the heart of everything, as you know, these would just slide in like that. And then here we have all the connectors, which is what we're going to need from the harness here, which would all just clip in. And that will just slide in and automatically just clip into here with these. So there you have it. One Eon in-car entertainment screen that will go, I suspect now, into my Fiat 500 Sport, which I have in black. And we can then, when it's all in, we can work out what all of the buttons do. So there we have it. So that is going to be the unboxing of the Eonon in-car entertainment screen, what we'll do is I will get around to filming the installation of this, and I will give you my honest opinion on the installation. And at some point, the link will appear. If you're coming new to the channel, like months down the line, I'll put a link to the installation of this. So if you're looking at this as your first video, if you look in the description, there'll be a link to the installation of it when I put it in. But at the moment, looks very impressive. If you want to look to purchase this, there is a link in the description below with a discount code as well. I'll also put that on the screen for you as well, so you can see that. And yeah, all good at the moment. So until next time, for the next video when we'll install it and I'll give you some facts and figures on it, I'll see you all again very, very soon. Till next time, thank you all for watching. Don't forget the usual thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more on this in-car entertainment system for the Fiat 500. See you all later.